Okay, so 11 o'clock. Well, first I need to say something. I first wanted to let this be a challenge for you, but doctors, I will solve them all of the clocks. So I think if so, I'm doing this video. I'm posting this video. So if Dr. Zye doesn't get to solve 11 o'clock, doesn't solve 11 o'clock, then it will he will have this video in my channel. Okay, so for 11 o'clock, let's take this marker here, and then so first things first. There's this thing here, the title. What is the title of the clock? Oh, sorry, of the clock. The title of the clock is Look from a Different Angle. So in this problem, in this puzzle, you will have to look in a different angle. Okay, so in this puzzle, you will have to look in a different angle. So first, what do we have here? We have a line with two dots. We have a triangle with three dots. And then we have some strange symbols. So this is an equation. How do you need to do this equation? What is this equation? So if you have to look from a different angle, there's the numbers and there's the operations. I think you know what are the numbers. So the numbers are this triangle and this line, which the triangle is 3. So triangle equals 3. And then the line, well, if it has 2 points, so it equals 2. So this expression is only with 3 and 2. So let's start from the beginning. This symbol here, what is the symbol? So this is a circle, a joint, a circle. So the circle here represents thing. So this is thing with thing. So what is thing with thing? Plus is the plus symbol. So this is the plus symbol. This is a plus. This is a plus. Wow, you get it. So this is some circle above the line, and then some other circle below the line. So if it is above the line, so it is a positive. Where it's below the line, it is a negative. So it's a negative number. So joining these two, a minus sign. So this is minus. So next things, let me just erase the things that I do here. Okay, this symbol here, what is this symbol? This symbol is a circle, and then this square, and then this circle. So it is a circle and a square. So it is this circle, a square length with area, this circle and this circle. So what is the area? What to do if you get an area of a square? You multiply these two numbers. So it is a multiplication symbol. And this is a multiplication symbol as well. Well, you get it. So now What about this symbol here? So we have a circle and then we have a rectangle and a circle, but this rectangle is divided. So it is just a rectangle, but it's divided. So this is the division symbol. This is division. Oh, sorry. Oh, no, wait. Okay. Well, look at it. Now for this symbol here, what is this symbol? This symbol, well, you get a circle and then a bunch of squares squared. So this is a square and then it is not divided. It was not supposed to be divided, but this is the division because, wow, it is divided. You see, there's a gap here. So this is not divided, so there's a bunch of squares together. So this top square represents the exponent, and then this is, well, the thing. So this is the base and this is the exponent, or this thing to this thing. So, well, this is an explanation sign. What about this thing here? What is this thing here? Well, if you see the subtraction symbol, you have seen this thing here, which is the negative part. So this is the base and then the exponent, but the exponent is negative, so it is a square root. This symbol is a square root. And then what about this symbol? This symbol that you're seeing, well, it is a square, the same to the explanation symbol. Sorry for my bad English. I'm not American and not British. I'm Brazilian, so sorry my bad English. And then you have a cube here. Yeah, I don't know to draw. No, how to draw well. So you have this cube here. So if, let me just erase this top part because it's better for me to draw here. Okay, so if this symbol here is the explanation sign, then this symbol here, well, this is just placing a C for cube. This is a C for cube. So this symbol here, it's just 1 degree up, sorry. So the explanation sign 1 degree up is tetration. So this is actually tetration sign. And then what about these symbols? These last two symbols here. So I'm doing a very creative notation. I will explain while erasing these. So I wanted to take this equation one step above. I wanted really, it started as a problem, but then it went to an idea, because this is a different notation of parentheses. So when you encounter a close parentheses, I just increase the value of the parentheses, I don't know what you call, by 1. And if it's a close parentheses, then I subtract 1. And then that's why there's a positive symbol and then a negative symbol here. So this is an open parentheses. Oh, sorry, no, parentheses is brackets. Sorry, it's just parentheses here. So oh, you get it. So this is an open bracket. This is an open bracket. This is a close bracket. This is a close bracket because there's the negative sign here. So well, these are parentheses. So if you do all of these things and interpret all of these and just one more thing to say. I tested, and yes, it does equal to 11. Yeah, that's the harder. Actually, it's the hardest one. So well, I hope Zye gets good, solves all clocks, and well, see you in the live, I guess. Well, if Zye, you're seeing this video, that means you're in the live already. So see you in the live, I guess. Bye bye.